At this point, we have our charge tube assembly with our lower puck assembly, our upper puck assembly, our wires through, our detonating cord connected to our shape charges. Now we will insert the charge tube assembly into our gun body. Care must be taken, especially when you're dealing with long perforating gun assemblies, to not cut or nick your det cord, because the threads inside these guns can be very sharp. So very carefully you will insert it. At this point I have my alignment slot on bottom where I'm going to turn my alignment pin to place it in place, to insert it all the way in. Depending on the company, I have either an O-ring or a snap ring that I'm going to insert to keep my charge tube assembly into my gun. I am going to use snap rings. Insert all the way. Lock it in place. Now my assembly is inside and complete. Now for my tandem sub, what I'm going to do is install the O-rings. I've already installed them on the lower section. Now I'll install them on the upper section. If you notice, I'm using another O-ring to install them and not a sharp object. And the reason for this is because sharp objects can be detrimental to O-rings when installing. This makes it much easier, and I reduce the risk of cutting my O-rings. So now I have all 4 O-rings installed on my ESUB. O-rings installed, my charge tube assembly is installed. Now I'm going to thread my ESUB onto my gun. I would make up with pipe wrenches, and I have my completed ESUB assembly.